Many think high-pressure washers are only for professionals, but is that really true for home cleaning tasks? Hi, I'm a certified cleaning equipment specialist. I've tested hundreds of pressure washers over the years. Most people struggle with stubborn dirt and grime outdoors. Traditional hoses simply don't have enough power. You waste time and water, yet results often disappoint. That's where the right electric pressure washer matters. Today, I recommend the VEVOR electric pressure washer. This model delivers a powerful 4200 PSI at 2.8 GPM. What does that mean for you? It blasts away tough stains on driveways, decks, and cars. The included nozzles let you adjust spray intensity easily. Switch from gentle rinsing to deep cleaning in seconds. The foam cannon attachment ensures thick, even soap coverage. This boosts cleaning efficiency and saves detergent. Why choose electric over gas-powered washers? Electric models are quieter, lighter, and require less maintenance. They're also safer for most home users. With VEVOR, you get industrial-grade performance at home. Let's see it in action on a dirty patio. Notice how quickly it removes years of built-up grime. Even oil stains and mud disappear with minimal effort. Switching to the foam cannon, watch the thick suds cover the car. Dirt lifts away easily, leaving a spotless finish. The adjustable nozzles make it perfect for delicate surfaces too. Clean outdoor furniture, fences, and siding without damage. You don't need professional skills to get pro-level results. Assembly is simple, just connect the hose and plug it in. The compact design stores easily in your garage or shed. Safety features include automatic shutoff and leak protection. Worried about cost? VEVOR offers the lowest price online. Plus, enjoy fast 2-day delivery across the US. Try it risk-free with a 30-day return policy. Thousands of satisfied customers trust VEVOR for their cleaning needs. Stop wasting time and energy on ineffective methods. Upgrade to a machine that truly delivers results. Remember, not all pressure washers are created equal. 4200 PSI and 2.8 GPM means deep cleaning in less time. Nozzles and foam cannon give you total control. Use it for cars, patios, driveways, siding, and more. Lightweight, durable, and easy to maneuver. Electric operation means no fumes or complicated upkeep. Perfect for families, homeowners, and DIY enthusiasts. Still unsure? Check out real customer reviews online. People love the power, convenience, and value. Why settle for less when you can have professional quality? Don't let dirt and grime ruin your property's appearance. Take control of your cleaning routine today. VEVOR's electric pressure washer makes it easy and affordable. Order now for the best deal and fastest shipping. Experience the difference of true high-pressure cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and wasted effort. Transform your outdoor spaces with one powerful tool. I highly recommend the VEVOR electric pressure washer. Click the link to shop now and see the results yourself.